Now plasmid. Plasmid is basically the part of nucleoid genetic element also in the present in the cytoplasm of the bacteria, which is called plasmid. In 1952, Lederberg demonstrated the presence of plasmid in the bacteria cytoplasm. Property of the plasmid is it replicates separately from the bacterial cell, code for their own. Now they also basically act as an episome only in few bacteria, may pick desirable gene to host cell as vector. They can also work. They act as a different from the various different for the from the virus basically, as they can't cause damage. Virus cause damage but plasmid doesn't cause damage. Now the physical state we'll study about this is there is small double-stranded DNA present in circular form. Size of the plasmid is 5% less than the bacterial chromosome. Now, the types of plasmid is F plasmid, plasmid, virulent plasmid, and metabolic plasmid. In F plasmid, it is important in conjugation, as we had studied earlier. It provides the sex factor of the bacteria. Now, in we study this among in the conjugation. Now, R plasmid is basically resistance plasmid. It is resistant to antibiotic. It is not integrated into the host cell. C is virulent plasmid. In this, it can basically act as it can cause the disease. For example, is Agrobacterium tubiferens in T plasmid act over here, and it agros in angiosperm, it can cause groin gall disease. Now in D is metabolic plasmid. It is called degran- degradative plasmid. In this, basically entofixation it helps, and various in rhizomes they are present.